Urban reshaping. The creative idea of urban reshaping is to make cities more flexible so they can better meet the requirements of its inhabitants. Picture a metropolis where vertical and horizontal movement, rotation, growth, and shrinkage of buildings, streets, parks, and other spaces creates infinite utility and design options. Infrastructure can be extended beyond the usual horizontal limits using vertical mobility. Project size, complexity, location, materials, technology, and market demand determine the exact cost of urban reshaping, which can range from $10,000 to $100,000 per square meter. An estimated $100 million to $1 billion is the price tag for a 10,000 square meter project. Congestion, pollution, climate change, and inequality are some of the major problems caused by urbanization, and this revolutionary concept seeks to address these issues. With the promise of a sea change in city life, urban reshaping is the zenith of innovation in urban planning and development. Doppelmayr Gavventa. When it comes to ropeways, cable cars, and ski lifts, the Doppelmayr Gavventa Group is unrivaled on a global scale. It is now the biggest company in the world in this field. It was formed in 2002 when the Austrian Doppelmayr and the Swiss Gavventa AG merged. Ski resorts, urban regions, and tourist sites are the company's specialty when it comes to innovative mobility solutions. In 96 countries, they have installed more than 15,400 units. The unique nature of each project prevents the disclosure of exact system pricing. However, the business reportedly made 946 million euros in sales in 2022 and 2023. Although the exact amount can differ greatly, ropeway systems typically cost between 1/3 and 2/3 as much as traditional transportation methods. To illustrate the point, 45 million Swiss francs was the total order volume for the construction of 4 funivores and one of the world's steepest aerial tramways on the Schildhorn. Lexus LF30 Electrified Concept. Beautiful and technologically advanced, the Lexus LF30 Electrified Concept is an electric vehicle with a futuristic appearance that promises an exciting ride. The energy transfer from the in-wheel electric motors to the road is conveyed by its sleek and aerodynamic appearance. The headlights, taillights, and front spindle grille all come together to make quite an impression. The opacity of the side windows can be adjusted to provide either seclusion or panoramic views. The voltaic sky color scheme denotes the vehicle's electrification level. With its high-performance battery, the LF30 can go up to 500 kilometers at a top speed of 200 kilometers per h. It also has the ability to charge wirelessly and transfer power from your car to your home. With the use of artificial intelligence that can interpret facial expressions, gestures, and speech. Approximately $200,000 is the estimated price for the LF30 when it is ready for sale in 2030. Nuclear-Powered Sky Hotel. As a futuristic flying hotel, the Nuclear-Powered Sky Hotel is an innovative idea in luxury vacation. This enormous aerospace structure can remain in the air for months on end without refilling, thanks to its design for indefinite hovering and its use of nuclear fusion power. Huge rooms with views, gourmet restaurants, swimming pools, retail areas, and a fitness facility are just a few of the hotel's many features. Compact, detachable planes allow passengers to board and disembark in the middle of the journey. Combining the grandeur of a 5-star hotel with the wonder of ever-changing aerial views, this floating sanctuary guarantees a vacation like no other. There is a hefty price tag associated with staying at this breathtaking floating wonderland because of how exclusive it is. The nightly rate for a regular room starts at around $50,000 and can go up further for luxury suites and extra services. Hyperloop TT Unveils. Hyperloop TT's new express freight concept is a freight transport capsule system that aims to transform transportation with its lightning-fast speeds, unparalleled efficiency, and eco-friendly operation, Quick loading and unloading, as well as connectivity with pre-existing infrastructure, are key to the design that Tangerine and the team worked on together. With the Collins rollerball system and staggered doors for simultaneous loading and unloading, the system is designed to be seamlessly integrated with Hyperloop TT's passenger capsules. When it comes to cost, Hyperloop Express Freight is ready to compete. According to Hyperloop TT's Great Lakes Hyperloop feasibility study, it was shown to be a more sustainable, faster, and less expensive alternative to air and truck delivery of products. The groundbreaking technology took a giant leap ahead in May 2023 when Hyperloop TT received €800 million to construct Italy's first commercial Hyperloop. Xping AOT Modular. A subsidiary of Xping AOT has created a state-of-the-art flying car idea called the Xping AOT Modular. This cutting-edge vehicle can move on both land and air thanks to its 6x6 all-wheel drive ground module, which carries a separate electric VTT air module. The eVTOL air module may be recharged several times by the ground module, which can hold 4 to 5 passengers and has an extended range electric engine. Its excellent mobility is made possible by its 3-axle, 6-wheel layout, which allows for robust all-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering. Vertical takeoffs and landings, as well as flights at low altitudes, are capabilities of the air module, a piloted aircraft that is entirely electric. It is compatible with both manual and autonomous flying modes, and satisfies safety standards for single-point failure. The creator of Xping gave a clue that it would be around $140,000 when asked about the price. Speeder. Jetpack Aviation's groundbreaking speeder flying motorcycle is about to change the way people travel. 8 turbine engines allow this future vehicle, which looks like a big motorbike, to take off and land vertically. It offers versatility in its application because it can be operated remotely or by an onboard pilot. The Speeder can reach speeds of up to 500 miles per hour with a cargo capacity of over 272 kilograms. But for safety reasons, manned operations will be substantially slower. Beyond personal travel, it is being developed for use in military, cargo, firefighting, and medical evacuation, among other fields. The Speeder is striving for FAA certification and is currently participating in flight tests. It combines the exhilaration of riding a motorcycle with the liberation of flying, and it represents a whole new class of aircraft. Pre-orders for the Speeder have already begun, and the vehicle is selling for $381,000. Mercedes Imperion 2030. A futuristic concept vehicle that successfully marries sustainability, performance, and luxury is the Mercedes Imperion 2030. Depending on the driver's state of mind, personal preferences, and surrounding environment, this cutting-edge car provides an unforgettable driving experience. Its roomy and cozy interior is the perfect match for its modern, aerodynamic design. The vehicle is refuelable in minutes and produces no emissions other than water vapor thanks to its hydrogen fuel cell technology. By minimizing charging times and increasing power generation, a solar roof further improves energy efficiency. A high-performance vehicle, the Imperion 2030 can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 3.5 seconds. Its range is over 1,000 kilometers. Holographic display, voice and gesture control, and a driver learning intelligent assistant are some of the advanced features. There will be a limited run, and the price is estimated at $500,000. Xping AOT eVTOL. In terms of personal air mobility, the Xping AOT eVTOL represents a watershed moment with its cutting-edge electric vertical takeoff and landing technology. The Voyager X2 is an innovative, fast, and environmentally sustainable way to commute through cities. The plane has sophisticated autonomous flight technologies, powerful electric engines, and an aerodynamic design. The Voyager X2 is scheduled to be released in 2024 with a price tag of around $126,000. A 270-degree panoramic view is available from the 2-seater cockpit, allowing for a spacious vista when in the air. It boasts a 35-minute flight time, a top speed of 130 kilometers per hour, and a weight of 360 kilograms. Features such as spherical environment detection, autonomous return, and an emergency ballistic parachute enhance security, and distributed electric propulsion ensures redundancy, all of which contribute to the utmost importance of safety. Focus Prize Human Reef, an unique underwater settlement concept that was designed by Guillaume Nicolet and Monica Nicolet-Stokic, is the Human Reef project, which was given the Focus Prize by the Jacques Rougerie Foundation. This forward-thinking design intends to manage the protection and restoration of coral reefs. When the occupants collaborate with the coral and the marine animals that are native to the area, using a combination of artificial intelligence and natural biological processes, the town is intended to function in a manner that is completely self-sufficient. It is a perfect example of how perfectly technology and ecology can be combined, and it has the potential to completely transform the way in which we interact with marine ecosystems. A look into the future of human living and conservation activities beneath the sea is provided by the architecture of the project, which represents a commitment to responsible environmental stewardship and sustainability. Dreamglass Lead, an innovative augmented reality headset, the Dreamglass Lead aims to be the first 200 inches 4K all-in-one AR glass in the world. Aiming to transform the way we work, connect, and relax, it provides an immersive experience with a 200-inch virtual screen that shows in 4K resolution. The Dreamglass Lead stakes its claim to being an integral part of the next generation of spatial digital platforms as 5G rolls out. Customers can save $300 on the smartphone, as its price has dropped from $1,499 to $1,199. In light of its premium features and specs, this pricing makes it an attractive alternative in the augmented reality market. Those interested in being on the cutting edge of the augmented reality revolution will find this technology to be a fascinating window into the future of digital display and interaction. Orders above $500 qualify for free shipping, while ordinary delivery costs $24.99. Space Urchin. This forward-thinking idea, known as the Space Urchin, was conceived with the biological form and community structure of sea urchins serving as inspiration. The resilient skin ecology, the space waste ecology, and the flock ecology are the three primary ecologies that are incorporated into its architectural concept for an interplanetary infrastructure. In addition to becoming the winner of the Jacques Rougerie Foundation International Architecture Competition in 2022, the proposal exemplifies a multi-decade-long aspiration to build a community of infrastructure that is comprised entirely of starports. The Space Urchin has a diameter of 36 meters and is the result of an unmanned mission known as the Anchor. This mission is the foundational component for the construction of the Space Urchin. It is anticipated that this ambitious project will be deployed using SpaceX's scaled-up version of the Starship 2.0, which will be launched in the Pacific Ocean. AI SenseTime YCF. The innovations showcased by SenseTime at the 2023 World Artificial Intelligence Conference are referred to as the AI SenseTime YCF. The SenseNova Foundation model sets were introduced as part of their plan to use AI to disrupt industries. Use cases for these models can be found in fields as diverse as e-commerce, healthcare, and finance, as well as in V2X vehicle road cloud systems and smart cabins. An important product, SenseChat 2.0, is a model for natural language processing that uses hundreds of billions of parameters, which allows it to overcome the limitations of huge language models when it comes to input length. Deployment expenses are reduced, and versions are offered that can be adapted to different devices. SenseMirage 3.0, SenseTime's generative model, can now generate photographs with the level of detail seen in professional work. SenseAvatar 2.0 now supports 4K visual effects and offers a 30% improvement in speech and lip syncing. Yacht Villa. One example of a futuristic floating home is the Yacht Villa, a plush floating home. Its 300 square meters of space showcase Lix Architecture's masterful fusion of contemporary style and cutting-edge technology. A living area with contemporary couches, peaceful white walls, and ceiling-mounted fiber lights creates an upscale setting ideal for unwinding. The 360-degree panoramic glass, which provides unobstructed views of the ocean, is a notable feature. A sports room is available for those who want to stay in shape while taking in views of the ocean. For easy access from the air, the yacht also has a helipad. The search results do not reveal the precise price, but the Elix Yacht Villa, which showcases luxurious design and creative architectural solutions, is perfect for individuals who desire an exceptional maritime lifestyle. Further information regarding prices can be found here.